Hello everyone and welcome to Bum Bea. Today is one of my favorite videos. It's another Dollar Tree $5 DIY. And this is hosted every month by yours truly and a different co-host. And the co-host for the Easter of 2019 challenge is my friend Joanne from A Work in Progress. So guys, make sure you check out her channel. I'll have it linked below, and I'll also have her picture at the end of the video where you can just click on it and go check out her channel. Okay, remember there's going to be a lot of different participants participating in this collaboration, so make sure you check out the playlist that is linked below so you can see all the wonderful creations and DIYs that my YouTube sisters have created for Easter of 2019. Okay, so let's get started. Let me show you all the items that I got at the Dollar Tree to make this Easter Dollar Tree $5 DIY. Okay guys, these are the items that I chose to do my project. I'm doing a voiceover because I cut out some of the items off the camera as I was showing them. So we have a white planner, we have some bunny ear headband, a bunny tail, some green moss, and then these florals with the greenery. But then you'll see me already with cut up greenery that I have left over from a project, so I'm going to use that first before I tear this greenery apart. Okay, so let's get started here. All this out. Put this stuff away. Okay, you're also going to need a glue gun and some glue sticks. Okay, I'm going to start with my rabbit ears, and I'm just going to go ahead and turn them around. Okay, and then I'm going to fill this area here with some moss. And I also want to fill it up with some greenery as well. So right here I'm just cutting up in smaller pieces the greenery, so later after I fill the headband with moss, then I'll be adding those pieces of greenery. And here I'm just going to start gluing the moss all the way around the headband to cover all the furry white area. Here I'm starting to add those little greenery leaves that I got from that yellow floral set from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just filling it all the way around, make it nice and full. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to do a line of glue here on the ears and then add there some moss as well. And then this is what it's looking like so far. So now I'm going to glue this to my planner. Okay, so far this is what we have here. Now we're going to add our little bunny tail to the middle of the planner. As you can see, it has a clip. I'm just going to clip it right under the bunny ears, and then I'm going to secure it with some hot glue. Okay, so let's go see where I'm going to put this DIY. And there it is, guys. I put it in front of that wreath that I have in my entertainment center that just stays there all year round. I think it turned out really cute, very farmhouse, very neutral. I just added one of my vintage dishes as an underliner for right now. Probably going to put it in a basket with some Easter eggs or candy. Not sure yet. But stay tuned because I'll have on March 30th my Easter Spring Home Tour. I want to thank each and every one of you that love and support my channel. If you only knew how much I love you all. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you to all the participants who participated in this challenge. Thank you, Joanne, for being my co-host for this Easter of 2019 challenge. Okay guys, don't forget to check out the playlist below, and don't forget to click on Joanne's picture right over here to go visit her channel. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you real soon with another Dollar Tree $5 DIY. Thanks, bye-bye.